Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Rainbow Wallet to OpenSea. Open is one of the largest NFT marketplace where users can buy, sell and manage digital collectibles. To interact with OpenSea, you need a compatible crypto wallet and Rainbow Wallet is one of the supported options. Connecting Rainbow Wallet allows you to view NFTs, list them for sale and make purchases securely. And first, make sure you have a Rainbow Wallet installed as a browser extension on your laptop and that your wallet is already set up, and also ensure your browser is updated and you are logged into a correct wallet account. So first, you need to open any of the browser and go to the OpenSea website. On the top is a search bar. Type down OpenSea.com and enter it. And once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click onto this Connect Wallet. A list of the supported wallets will appear over here, and from here you need to select the Rainbow. Over here, OpenSea does not list Rainbow as a direct wallet option, so Rainbow connects via WalletConnect, not as a standalone button. Over here on the bottom, if you see, type down your Gmail address and after that you can continue. It will connect to the Rainbow Wallet to OpenSea. And after approving, OpenSea will link your Rainbow Wallet. You will notice your wallet address on your profile icon appearing in the top right corner of the OpenSea page. And this confirms that your wallet is successfully connected. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I will help you on how to connect Rainbow Wallet to OpenSea. If you have any trouble or question, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.